Go!
To our dedicated school administrator and high school principal, Dr. Manuel San Juan, our respected academic coordinator, Salman Ice D. Sampoleo, our dearest administrative officer, Ma'am Erlinda San Juan, beloved teachers, proud parents, guests, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed day to all of us. In behalf of all the graduates, thank you for coming here today to celebrate our graduation day. To my classmates, thank you for the fun, friendship, and learning that we shared throughout the year. To Teacher Karen, thank you for your patience in teaching us not only about ABCs and 1, 2, 3, but also about respect, kindness, and teamwork. You're not just our teacher, but a second mom to us. To our alma mater, Achievers Modern College, thank you for shaping us into good and responsible students and for providing us with excellent education. To our mommies and daddies, our hearts are full because of your love, care, and guidance. You are our inspiration and our greatest supporters. We will do our best to make you proud. And last, but most importantly, thank you, dear God, for this blessing us this gift of life and for giving us knowledge and wisdom that we can use as we move forward to the world of learning. Graduates, let's all continue to dream big and work hard for a brighter future. Again, happy graduation and congratulations, Kindergarten Batch 2025!
Yay! Grabe! Yay!